Local news for Wednesday the 22nd of August. The cast of Paul Percy's play King John will head to Feilding this coming Friday to compete in the regional finals of Theatrefest 2018. 15 young actors from Harlequin Theatre will take to the stage up against troops from Wellington and the Hawke's Bay, and if successful they'll compete at the national final in Wellington in September. The New Zealand International Film Festival has revealed the full program for the 42nd Film Festival held in Masterton. 37 films from 15 countries will screen at Region 3 cinemas from the 29th of this month. Film Talks Wairarapa will also host 2 talks and screenings with homegrown filmmakers in this year's program. And at this weekend's netball, Friday night Prem games see Harcourt's take on Gladstone, and it's the battle of the colleges as St Matthews play Wairarapa College, while Carterton and Celtic will go head-to-head in what's expected to be a top clash on Saturday at midday.